Hi, my name is Jarod Moua, and my biology role model is David Ho, who is a physician, virologist, researcher, and was also named Man of the Year in 1996 by Time magazine. David Ho's journey to science started when he was a child, where he was naturally curious about science. Living in a countryside village in Taiwan, he attended elementary school, where he found that he excelled in mathematics. However, there were no science topics covered in his elementary school. He eventually encountered science when he moved to LA at the age of 12, where learning English came very easily to him and learned within 6 to 7 months. The science classes he started taking piqued his interest in biology, and in seeking higher education, attended Caltech, where he earned his Bachelor of Science in 1974, majoring in biology. He moved on to Harvard Medical School, as well as the UCLA School of Medicine, where he finished his clinical training in internal medicine and infectious diseases. This is where he found his niche in the scientific realm. Some admirable traits about David Ho include leadership, dedication, and mentorship. As a leader, he played a pivotal role in shaping the direction of the HIV/AIDS research and treatment, as well as led numerous research initiatives and collaborations in the process. His commitment to his scientific inquiry and his groundbreaking work in HIV/AIDS treatment development shows his dedication to the people that he works with, as well as the community that he works for. As a mentor, he also dedicates his time to fostering young talent while doing his research, making him an excellent mentor. In his scientific niche, he's a physician, researcher, and a virologist. As a physician, Dr. Ho sees patients with new treatments, mainly looking at HIV/AIDS patients. With their experiences, he looks for new discoveries for better treatment options for them. As a virologist, he also researches HIV/AIDS for new treatment options, but has currently shifted his focus to the research of SARS-CoV-2 variants, trying to develop vaccines to combat those different variants. And his most recent paper dives into this topic, highlighting the dynamic interplay between viral mutations, antibody responses, and the viral fitness of the SARS-CoV-2 variants. The top figure, Figure 1, shows graphs of the general process of the binding between the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2 variant and the HACE2 receptor. The molecular figure represents the virus, with the different mutations it holds, as well as the different charges in each region. The bottom right of Figure 1, it shows the mutations and how they change the charge of the binding protein, therefore affecting the binding to the receptor. In Figure 2, it highlights key mutations in the virus, showing where these antibodies bind to it. It measured how effective the antibodies were against the BA.2.75 variants compared to the original strain. Figure 3 showed how well the BA.2.75 variants of the virus were neutralized by antibodies from the different groups of people who had received COVID-19 vaccines. This study looked at many different variants of the SARS-CoV-2 virus, and the results showed that antibody evasion, changes in antigenic differences, and the evolution of phenotypes all are derived from structural changes due to the mutations in the virus. And they found that the most prevalent variant was the BN.1, which proves that it is the dominant variant of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Currently, David Ho is CEO and Scientific Director of the Aaron Diamond AIDS Research Center in New York City, where he still researches HIV/AIDS treatment options, but as I said before, shifted his main focus to researching COVID-19 treatments and vaccines.